Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful smoking top. It has a strap and it's super cute and easy to make. If this is what you're interested in, please kindly stay till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and also share. So let's just get right into the video. The basic two things you will need is your fabric and your smoking thread. I got 2 smoking thread, but I didn't even finish the 2. You also need your normal thread, of course, because you'll be using the smoking thread in your bobbin or shuttle, while the normal thread goes into the needle at the top. So let's move to the fabric. I've already cut the fabric I want to use, but I'll be showing you how to measure and cut yours. So firstly, you get the amount of fabric you want to use, you fold it into 2, then you fold it again. Automatically that gives you 4 fold. Then you mark out your bust measurement divided by 4. My bust measurement is 40 divided by 4, that's 10. Then I added extra 5 inches allowance. You can add up to 6, 7, 8 depending on how stretchy or gather you want it. If you're on a bigger size, you can even double your bust measurement as your allowance. But for me, I added 5 inches and that was enough for me. Then for the length, I used my waist measurement and added 2 inches as allowance. My waist measurement is 18. I added 2 inches, that's 20, plus additional 1 inch to fold the chest area and also the hem line, because I won't be weaving this outfit at all. But if you want to weave yours, that's perfectly fine. Then go ahead to cut it out, cut it into 2. At this point, you'll be having your front and your back pattern. Your front and your back pattern are exactly the same length, same width, same measurements. There is no difference. So here I'm just trying to mark the back, and just to identify the back and the front. So the next thing is go to your machine, fold the top line, just fold it with maybe 0.25, then fold the top line and the hem line. Once you've done that neatly, the next thing is to go back to your table. You'll be marking out your smoking line. If you're a pro, you can actually skip this part and just go straight to your machine and start sewing 1/2 inch straight across your fabric. But for me, and especially kind of fabric I'm working with, I prefer to mark it out. So as you can see here, I use pencil to mark 1/2 inch interval to space everything equally. Just space it very well. You can use chalk, just depend on the kind of fabric you are working with. I used chalk, it wasn't showing, so I decided to use pencil. Now the next thing is to prepare your reeler. This part is very important. You have to use your hand to reel the smoking thread. Don't use the machine to reel it, and don't make it too tight or stiff, because that can affect the final outcome of your outfit. Okay, just take your time and really gently with your hand. Even after you are done with one, you keep repeating this process until you are done sewing your entire outfit. Okay, just take your time, keep reeling. You can see here I even added support. I use a long screw to support my hand so that it will be easier for me to reel. So if you can get a support, that will be fine. Don't make it too stiff or too tight. Okay, once you are done reeling, fix the reeler inside your shuttle, then place it in your machine the normal way we usually do it. Just place it carefully, and again, don't make it too tight. If you have another shuttle at home, I would advise you use it for this particular project, because smoking can expand your shuttle slightly. Now move your stitch to 4. Yes, move it to 4. You won't be using a tight stitch for this. Then you start sewing. Please follow the line, follow the straight line you mark, and do this carefully across. So I think marking out this half an inch line is actually a good guideline for this type of style. Like, it helps to maintain the straight line. It gives like a professional finish. I actually like it. So please, if you can mark it out, I would strongly advise you to do so. Okay, so now I'll be speeding up the process because I don't want to bore you with the entire process. Okay, now I'm done with the smoking on both pieces. This is the front and the back. Once you are done, go ahead and join the front and the back together using 1 inch allowance on both sides. Please do this neatly. And the next thing is to fix your strap. Measure your strap width, your desired strap width. You can use 2 inches or 1.5, and also measure the length from the front to the back. Then remove 1 inch from your measurement. Also, don't add any allowance. Removing that 1 inch will help the strap to sit firmly on your shoulder. You can even remove more, but try removing 1 inch first. Then you fix your strap from your nipple to nipple line in the front and attach it properly to the back as well. And that will be all for this tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also share to your fellow friends. Thank you so much. Bye.